This is my honest review and summary of McCormick ground mustard. We use this a lot in our marinades and our barbecue spice mixes that we mix up. And that's generally what we use it in our household. McCormick ground mustard is we actually use it in some salad dressings too. McCormick ground mustard is a spice commonly used in dressings, marinades, and sauces. The spice is made from the ground seeds of the mustard plant and has a pungent and bitter, slightly bitter taste. One downside of the product is it may lose its flavor quickly if not stored properly, so you want to keep it stored properly and properly sealed. Mustard has a long history dating back to ancient times. The Romans were known to use mustard seeds in their cooking, and the condiment became popular in Europe during the Middle Ages. In the 18th century, mustard production began on a large scale, and the condiment was shipped around the world. Today, mustard is a staple in most kitchens and is used in a variety of dishes. From hot dogs to vinaigrettes, McCormick is a well-known spice company producing quality mustards. So I would go out and get this if you want to make very nice marinades and sauces. Ground mustard is a great thing to put inside of it.